तेजस IAF तेजस फाइटर जेट जो है वो आज क्रैश हो गया दुबई एयर शो में लिव एयरपोर्ट पायलट जिसमें मर गए सीरियस सेज डीपली रिग्रेट द लॉस दुबई एयर शो प्लेन क्रैश टुडे दुबई एयर शो हम वीडियो दिखा देते तो हम वीडियो देख सकते हैं। Oh shit! Fuck! तो यहाँ पे ये क्रैश हो गया। Oh shit! ये पूरा जो क्रैश हुआ है उस सीन का इमेज है। तो जैसा आप वीडियो में देखें थिक ब्लैक स्मोक was seen rising from the crash site near the airport prompting panic among the outlookers including families with children who had gathered to watch the show. Tejas fighter jet of India air crashed into the ground and went up in flame on Friday. The pilot was announced that the indigenous aircraft was participating in Dubai Air Show on Friday afternoon when it plunged to a ground around 2:10 p.m. local time while executing an aerial display before a large crowd. Defense Minister Rajnath Singh, Chief of Defense Staff General Anil Chauhan expressed condolences विजुअल्स फ्रॉम द क्रैश साइट। तो आप विजुअल्स देख सकते हैं तेजस फाइटर एयरक्राफ्ट इंडिया पार्टिसिपेटिंग टुडेज फ्लाइंग डिस्प्ले दुबई। What IAF said on Tejas crash on Dubai. IAF said in a statement that a court of inquiry is being constituted and IAF Tejas aircraft met with the accident during an aerial display at Dubai Air Show. Today, the pilot sustained fatal injuries in the incident. IAF deeply regrets the loss of life and extended firmly with the mm, bereaved family in the time of grief. A court of inquiry is being constituted. Defense Minister Rajnath Singh be tweeted deeply anguished by the loss of brave and courageous IF pilot during an aerial display in Dubai Air Show. My heartfelt condolences to bereaved family. The nation stands firmly with the family in the tragic situation. हम आते हैं कि तेजस फाइटर एयरक्राफ्ट है क्या। तो तेजस इज़ अ 4.5 जनरेशन फाइटर एयरक्राफ्ट है। 4.5 generation fighter aircraft is designed to handle offensive air support, close combat, and ground attack mission. As per description on HAL website, built by versatility, it is also engineered to perform ground and maritime operation, making it is one of the India's most adaptable indigenous platform. The Tejas family includes single-seat fighter variants for both the Air Force, Navy, as well as twin-seater suite trainer version of each service. As per HAL website, it is the most advanced iteration LCA MK1A. LCA MK1A incorporates significant upgrade to enhance combat capability, survivability. It features an AESA radar, an advanced electronic warfare suite with a radar warning and self-protection jamming, a digital map generator, a smart multifunction display, a combined interrogator and transponder system, and a modern radio altimeter, along with several other sophisticated systems that strengthen its operation and performance.